Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where law meets clarity. If you have ever wondered how civil cases work in Indian district courts, you are in the right place. Today I will break it down step by step in a simple language, so let's get started. Let's move on to the introduction to civil cases. Civil cases deal with personal disputes like property, contracts, money recovery, or family matters. These are different from criminal cases and follow the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. There are various steps for this procedure of filing a civil suit. The first step is filing the plaint. The case starts when the plaintiff files a plaint in the district court. It must include facts, claims, court fees, and relevant documents. Second step is scrutiny and registration. The court checks if the plaint is proper. If accepted, a case number is given. The further step is summons to the defendant. Here, the court sends a summons to the other party, the defendant, asking them to appear and respond. After that, a written statement by defendant. It's done within 30 days, extendable to 90 days. The defendant must file a written statement. They may also include a counterclaim. Next is framing of issues. Now, the court lists the key questions called issues that need to be answered during the trial. And for the evidence stage, where first the plaintiff presents evidence, witnesses and documents, then the defendant does the same. Afterwards, final argument. At this time, both parties summarize their points. This is the final position before judgment. Next is the step that is the main, and it's judgment. The judge gives a reasoned decision, usually within 30 days. And next is the decree, where the decision is turned into a formal decree, a legal order to act or refrain from an action. And after getting the decree, there is the execution of decree. It means if not followed voluntarily, the winning party can ask the court to enforce it by attaching property, salary, or more. Afterwards, it has done the appeal or review. If we are not happy with the result, we can appeal, review, or file a revision depending on the grounds and stage. And that's how a civil case flows in a district court from start to finish. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your fellow law aspirants, also family members, and subscribe for more legal insights. Any questions? Drop them in the comment below. Thank you.